In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see MetaMask transaction history. First, open MetaMask on your iPhone, Android device, or browser extension. This step is crucial because accessing your wallet is the starting point for viewing your transaction history. On mobile, you will see a clean, user-friendly interface. For desktop users, the extension will open in a new window. Either way, you will be greeted by your account balance and recent activity. This familiarity is important as it helps you feel comfortable navigating your wallet. Once you have MetaMask open, you are ready to dive into your transaction history. Next, tap or click the Activity tab to see your recent transactions. This tab is typically located at the bottom of the screen on mobile and at the top on a browser. When you access this tab, you will see a detailed list of your recent transactions, including sends, swaps, and token transfers. MetaMask automatically records these transactions, making it easy for you to keep track of your activities. This feature is valuable because it allows you to monitor your spending and earnings effortlessly. You will find this information displayed in a simple and organized manner so you can quickly review your transaction history. Now, use the search bar to find a specific transaction by token name. For example, you can type in ETH or USDC to narrow down your results. This search functionality is particularly useful if you have a large number of transactions and need to locate a specific one quickly. By entering the token name or transaction type, you save time and avoid scrolling through endless entries. The search results will populate instantly, giving you a clear view of relevant transactions. This step is a small but effective way to streamline your transaction review process. On mobile, you can also tap the clock icon at the bottom of the screen to view all account activity. This feature presents a chronological list of your transactions, allowing you to easily track your account's history. By tapping this icon, you gain quick access to every action taken within your wallet. This comprehensive view is beneficial because it provides insights into your financial behavior over time. You will feel more in control of your assets as you see everything laid out clearly. Tap any transaction to view details such as the amount, status, gas fees, and transaction ID. This action is essential for understanding the specifics of each transaction. When you select a transaction, a detailed view will pop up showing you all relevant information. Knowing the amount and status helps you confirm whether the transaction was successful or pending. Additionally, viewing gas fees is important for managing your costs. This transparency gives you a clearer picture of your financial activity and helps you make informed decisions moving forward. With that done, you now have a comprehensive understanding of how to access and interpret your transaction history in MetaMask. Each step we covered is designed to enhance your experience and keep you informed about your cryptocurrency activities. Remember, regularly checking your transaction history is a good habit. It helps you stay on top of your assets and ensures that you are aware of your financial movements. Thank you for watching and happy transacting.